coming into the day was bearish, right? Looking at this, right? I was looking just based off of this 4-hour time frame. We're in a bearish structure, strong bearish structure, right? Hourly, it's pretty bearish structure as well. And then we see a 9 a.m. candle just sweep out all these hourly highs, 15-minute highs. So I'm like, shoot, I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna get anything today. We see that sweep it out. No, I was like, okay, we might get something, but it was taking forever to just get a break of structure or anything like that. Any sort of confluence is not even a break of structure. We didn't get a break of structure until 11 a.m., which is usually past when I'm trading. So I was like, man, I honestly shut my computer off at like 10:45 because I just saw us keep pushing higher and higher, and I was just like, yo, like we're just like not gonna get anything. I honestly thought we were gonna get this hourly high up here. Or this might have been a 4-hour high. Yeah, 4-hour high up here. I was like, yo, we're just not getting anything. It was already after the macro. I usually shut it off at about 10:30, 10:45. So I was like, yeah, we're just probably not getting anything. Shut it off, and then I come back, made some breakfast, and then I was like, yo, we're kind of getting something. I came back and it was 11 a.m. and I was like, okay, we're getting to break a structure right here. Getting a break. We're getting a break. And I was like, yo, let me look at this real quick, right? So there was a fair value gap here, got disrespected, and another fair value gap here, got disrespected on the break of structure. I was like, boom, yo, we're golden. I shorted that. Or whoops. I was like, two fair value gaps getting disrespected, inverse fair value gaps essentially. We're shorting that. We're golden. And it took some time for it to pick up, honestly. We didn't even see anything push down until 11:25, so I was kind of just sitting in that break even stage waiting for something to happen. I was at the gym, so I wasn't even watching this trade play out. But, yeah. We swept out. It's the hourly high, I believe, or maybe it was a 15-minute. I think it was a 15-minute. Yep, this little baby 15-minute up there was the last one I had marked out. I mean, I could have had this marked out. That was technically another thing. I was like, yo, swept that out. I mean, I just marked out so many freaking highs and lows, like just hoping for something to happen. And yeah, finally we got something, right? We get the 5-minute break of structure after sweeping, right? So where's market open? Market opens here. Swept out this, and then finally price is like, oh, I want to start moving. I'm going to start moving to the downside. Finally, we start seeing a break of structure invalidating the fair value gap. Break of structure, inverse fair value gap. Also had a breaker block here, which we were kind of just filling for like or a order block here, which we were kind of just filling for like some time, but eventually you just see it go to the downside. Easy day today. My take profit was down here at this 15-minute low, right, at 21,681, and then my other take profit was down here, which hasn't even got hit. So overall, you know, pretty solid day, I will say. That first take profit was like probably what, a one to two, not bad at all. 1 to 2, and then my other ones are 5.43, which we're still in. Just letting that play out, but yeah, solid day on the Nasdaq. Been having a good week, good start to the week, 2-0. So yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow. ES, it was just moving slow, bro. Like price was so slow today, and I was just like ready to call it and be like, okay, like we're just getting off. But finally got something at 11 a.m., which is not typical you'd usually see. But thankfully we did, because called a dub. Oh, I did take this ES trade and got stopped out because I think this was off a 1 minute time frame. Okay, I shorted there because I thought we respected it, but we didn't have another break. If this would have broke structure to the downside, then that possibly could have gone down, but no. that was an L on me, but overall we profited for the day. So nice little short on Nasdaq. You know what I mean? Yeah. See you boys tomorrow.